My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We got women dunks dropping today. I actually have a really light setup. Oh yes, dude. Yes! Oh my god, I got one right away. Yes, got another one. Enflame is going to be dropping Jordan 3s in about 2 minutes. I think this is going to be one of those manual checkouts. Let's go. Got a size 7.5. Travis Scott 6s are going to be dropping in about 2 minutes. Not gonna lie, it's not looking good. I am stuck in the queue on Kith. I think the best chances of me getting this is on the Nike Sneakers app. So I am preparing this now. Oh. Oh my god, come on, dude, no, no. Nah, bruh, that's an L. Stop giving me buses. Oh. Travis, like that? Waiting for restock, of course. We got something very special that came in the mail today. We got Jordan 4 UNCs in a size 8.5. This is my personal size, and the Jordan 4 silhouette is my favorite silhouette of all time. So if I like this enough, there's a chance that I might keep it. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm really excited to open this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want to keep this so bad. And I bet this would look crazy on feet. I want to keep it, but at the same time, I feel like I have enough personals already. Shoot, I don't know. But one thing is for certain, this is my size, and I am super happy that my size did not get canceled. So I would at least have the option of keeping it. Oh my gosh, can't make up my mind. Earlier today, I copped from a bunch of restocks. However, I decided to stop my tasks because I ran out of. I ended up with a good amount of checkouts, so I'll take it. Anyway, some more shoes came in the mail today. We got 3 of these in men's sizes, and we got a pair of dunks. You know what? This is actually a really nice color. At first, I thought it was like okay, but seeing them in hand actually is super nice. A few days ago, I managed to catch a shock restock on DTLR for the Jordan 4 UNCs. It came in the mail already, so pretty happy about that. And also, this came in the mail today. These are the Enflame Jordan 3s. The boxes and the packaging on Nike shoes, sometimes they're just chef's kiss, man. These are crazy. Let's see what the shoe looks like. Initially, I was planning to hold on to these just to have kind of like just a collector's item, and then hopefully the prices go up, but if they don't, then I wouldn't have cared that much. But a buddy of mine, Tiana Porta, does want to buy these. She says she wants it as a personal because I did get her size. So I will make an exception and sell these to her right away. Yesterday, after that dunk restock, a few hours later, they restocked again, and then I got 4 more checkouts. So in total, that would put me at 7 checkouts for the day for these dunks, and that's actually a lot. And the good news is that none of them got canceled. Yet, anyway. Usually when they cancel, they give you a cancellation email directly after the checkout, but no cancel emails, so I'm very, very happy about that. Today though, we do have Yeezy 500 Enflames dropping. Now my track record with Yeezys are absolute trash. Even with releases that have decent stock numbers, I only managed to hit 1, which has to change. And there's a chance it might have something to do with my billing profile, so I did switch it up a little bit. I should be expecting more checkouts this time around, but I'm really not counting on it. Alright, Cyber is just not working for me on Shopify. I keep getting re-queued. I wouldn't have gotten this anyway, being that the stock numbers were really low for packers. However, I did get re-queued, which is quite a big problem, so I can't have that happening. I'm not sure if that's a Cyber issue or a Shopify issue, but nevertheless, I gotta switch it up, man, because I have not been hitting on Shopify with Cyber for these initial drops anyway. I know I did hit a restock, but that's totally different. So I'm going to be switching over to Mek AIO for Shopify at 10 a.m. later on. But we do have Yeezy supply next. This is going to be the most important platform. Hopefully my changes with the billing profiles and the slider setup doesn't leave me empty-handed. Let's go! I got a 5.5. Oh my gosh, dude. Only a few minutes after the sale started and I already got a checkout. We'll pass flash. Come on, come on. Are you gonna go through? Oh, yes, dude. Let's go. Oh, I have another one carded. Let's go, another one. Size 9.5. No way. Out of stock? That can't be real. Yeezy supply stock was a lot lower than expected. The number that I saw floating around was 4,000 pairs, which is actually really low for Yeezy supply. Therefore, I am pretty proud of my measly 30 checkouts. However, we do have Shopify coming up next at 10. That's in about 3 minutes. Now, I'm actually not going to be focusing on the Yeezy 500s. There are going to be some Jordan 1 Hyper Royal restocks on Jimmy Jazz, so that's the website I'm going to be mostly focusing on. Don't think I'm going to get any of these restocks, but doesn't hurt to try.
Ayo, Parrish, this shit high, boy.
Waiting for capture. A 10-minute period. Rate limited. Come on. He's answered that question way too slow. Oop, that is that. The only thing I'm really surprised about is that I was not able to check out on A-Life New York because I did run 105 tasks on a server with fast proxies. Maybe I just got unlucky, or maybe the stock was just a bit too low. For Jimmy Jazz, I just didn't know the answer to the question. Nothing I can do about that other than try to Google it. That's a long ass question, so typing it was a little bit of a struggle. Not that big of a deal though. I am pretty satisfied with the checkouts that I have so far. Alright, so the past week has not been that bad. Been able to cop a bunch of restocks and some Yeezys. By the way, I want to let you guys know that my cook group Notify is going to be opening up applications which will be posted tomorrow. So go ahead and follow Notify on Twitter or Instagram and turn on post notifications so you know exactly when the applications open up. Follow the instructions in the application when it's posted, and we will also ask you why you'd want to join the Notify team. So tell us a little bit about yourself. It is not a race. The more detailed your responses are, then the better, because only a select number of people will get accepted to join Notify. So good luck, and I hope to see some of you guys in there. Anyways, today there is a lot of speculation that Supreme Milan box logos are going to be dropping. If you've been watching this series, you know that I am ultra washed on Supreme. Like, I just cannot get it right. I always manage to make that one mistake that costs me the entire release. Now, if they do drop today, which will be in 30 minutes, I really hope that I do not flop. Is it even gonna drop? And if it does drop, will I be able to cop? We're gonna find out on the next episode.